Let us know how to use the study material in the app. Click on the study material icon. We will find all the topic, subjects, syllabus and also previous papers from the course you have opted. Now let's check the postal LGO exam. Once we click on it, it will lead to another page where all the topic related to that exam are displayed. If we click on one of the topic, it will lead to another page where it has subtopics of that topic. Click on any topic. Click on download attachment. The file will download and you can start reading it. You can zoom the PDF to have a clear look. We even have previous papers from each year 2019, 2020, 2021 and we can find circle-wise papers also. When we open one of the papers, we can see that all questions including answers and also explanation related to question are given. So this is the way we can use the study material in the app.